Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am Raju Pujala. In this video, let's see how we can rename the columns in the SQL. So whatever the issues that I have come across, or whatever the new tricks that I have come across in my overall 10 years of experience in the data analytics part, I'm covering each and every part of it in this playlist. So please do watch all the videos. So now let's go ahead and let's see how we can rename the columns. So we already have created a table which is called customer data. I'm copying the link over here, and let's create a new tab. Select start from this one, right? Okay, so we have a transaction ID, customer ID, product names, category, quantity, price per unit, transaction rate, right? So let's see, for example, if you would like to rename the column names, for example, the transaction ID as transaction. So basically you can use the alias as transaction. So once you execute this one, it will rename this uh, tab as transaction. Let's see. So yep, there it go. So I mean, do you really need to specify the as? It's up to you. So you can write something like this as well. It will automatically, so whatever you write at the end, so basically it consider it as a table, as a column name to display. So if you want to if you want to see all of these, select star from the table name. So it displays all the data over here. Let's see if you would like to rename all the columns. For example, transaction ID as transaction, right? And customer ID as customer, product name as product, category as cat, quantity as QTY, price per unit as price, and transaction date simply as date. Now let's execute this one. Trans. Okay, there's a spelling mistake. Okay, let's execute this one, and we have all the names, but I mean, if you go and if you, I mean, we haven't not saved this one yet. So in order for these new names to be saved, so we have to create the table. So create or replace table, right? So if I would like to create a new table, I can create like copy ID the dataset. So the project ID followed by dataset, and like new table as this one. So click on run. The new table is created, and here is the new table. And if you click on the new table, you can see the schema over here. And also you can, the schema tells like a transaction, it is an integer. Customer, it is an integer. It has numbers or the float values. Product, it's a string. Category is a string, and everything. So this is how we can rename the tables, and we can save it. Or else, if in case if you don't want this new table, let's delete this one. And if in case, so now you have the data over here, the customer data, right? If in case if you want to replace that this data within the same table, so instead of new table, you can create like customer data. Now let's run this one. So within the same table, now it has replaced the data. Now let's copy the table name. Let's see, select start from this one. So we have not created a new table name, so basically we replace the data within the same table name. There it go. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you happy learning and all the best.